Good morning, Internet. Just a couple of things I'd like to say before we dive deep into this video. Caught me drinking a coffee. First of all, to all my subscribers and all my viewers, very, very Merry Christmas to you. Thank you ever so much. We've got to 30 subscribers. I know that's not a lot. It's a small channel, but it's growing. Thank you all very much. And a quick special mention to one of my, what I think is one of my youngest viewers, Caden. Thanks for watching, Caden. Keep it up. So without further ado, we'll move on. We'll start the video and just like to say thanks again. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Now, Internet, I know you didn't watch this video to look at my ugly mug, but I just thought I'd issue you with a warning. What you're about to see, do not attempt at home, because you could incur the wrath of the wife. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. Okay, your eyes are not deceiving you. These are the engine casings from the ZZR in a dishwasher. Okay, breathe a sigh of relief. I've got away with this one because this isn't the wife's dishwasher, this is mine. This is the garage one. We'll put it on a hot cycle and we'll see what the results are. Okay, out of the dishwasher. They're very hot to touch, obviously, but incredibly clean. Well, it's got rid of all the oil and grease, which is all that was required. This is why sometimes when you just clean an engine to paint it, you can't get all the oil off it. Stripping and cleaning is the only way. Okay, quick one for you. Have you ever wondered how to remove the centre? If you take your oil filter off and you find that the centre where it screws on a cartridge oil filter is damaged, two nuts, that one's off the swing arm, that one's off the sprocket. They're both the same pitch. Wind them on, tighten them together, and as if by magic, the centre unscrews. There you go. Take the nuts off, job done. Okay, Internet, so here we are. Right, quick bit of background for you. These casings, when I took them out of the dishwasher, they were obviously clean but very corroded in quite a bad way. So we have been through the blasting cabinet. They've been soda blasted. The areas of heavy corrosion were first done with a powdered glass. Then I switched the blast media and we went to soda. So as you can see, they've been blasted, cleaned, blasted, cleaned, blasted and cleaned. Got a little bit of white salt residue, but that's nothing to worry about. But as you can see, the paint's gone, the corrosion's gone, and we've got quite a clean set of components ready for masking up and painting, which is the next task. So, without further ado, let's get some masking done. So that's where we're at. We're all masked up. Masking tape applied to all the casings. But the one thing I didn't account for was the oxidation on the aluminium. Because it's been stud, and it's been through dishwasher several times, several cleaning cycles. As you can see, that's dark grey and that's shiny. That's the one I've just cleaned the oxidation off along with the sump using the brass wire brush. Obviously we can't have anything on the surface of the aluminium or the paint won't stick, so we're going to clean everything up now it's all masked up and then give it a lick of paint. Right, as you can see, we're in primer. Bit of difference from when they came out of the dishwasher first time. There you go. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this online, and I'll try and get another one in before Christmas, but we'll see what happens. I'd just like to thank you all for watching, wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year if I don't see you before, and all the best. Thank you.